Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, truck enthusiasts. Ready to elevate your F-150 style and protection game? Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best mud flaps for F-150. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the streets, these mud flaps have got you covered. So, buckle up and get ready for the ultimate guide. Check the link in the description box for more details. Number 1. Husky Liners presents the front and rear mud guards designed specifically for the 2015 to 2020 Ford F150 with OEM fender flares. This 4-piece set offers a factory-like fit, ensuring full tread coverage for both single and dually factory tire widths. Constructed from impact-resistant thermoplastic, these mud guards are built to withstand a lifetime of tough conditions. The proprietary Husky Shield film adds an invisible layer of protection, enhancing durability. Installation is a breeze, requiring just a few screws and minutes of your time for a seamless fit. These mud guards not only enhance your vehicle's appearance with a sleek, factory-style look, but also provide custom flair. Proudly made in the USA, Husky Liners offers a lifetime guarantee, ensuring hassle-free replacements. Perfect for those seeking the best mud flaps for their F-150. Number 2. Red Hound Auto Premium Heavy-Duty Molded Mud Flaps are the best mud flaps for your F-150, designed to fit like a glove. Specifically compatible with 2004 to 2014 Ford F150, excluding Heritage, and 2006 to 2008 Mark LT models without fender flares or running boards, these mud guards offer a custom molded, factory-look finish. This 4-piece set includes both front and rear guards, along with mounting hardware and instructions for easy installation. Made from thick, heavy-duty polymer, these mud flaps are built to endure the toughest road conditions. Quality tested to ensure long-lasting durability, they are the ultimate solution for protecting your truck from mud and debris. Choose Red Hound Auto for a guaranteed fit and superior protection. Number 3. Icartso Mud Flaps, the best mud flaps for F-150 trucks without fender flares. Crafted with precision and designed in the USA, these mud guards boast a patented design ensuring top-notch protection in all weather conditions: rain, fog, or snow. Custom molded to fit 2021 to 2023 Ford F-150 models perfectly, excluding Raptor, they offer a snug fit like a glove. Installation is a breeze, no wheel removal, drilling, or sticky strips needed. Simply align the holes and screw in. Built to last, these mud flaps are sturdy, durable, and resistant to corrosion and high temperatures. Elevate your F-150 style with their modern and luxurious appearance. Safeguard your vehicle from impacts and corrosion caused by rocks, sand, and snow. Experience unmatched protection and style with Icartso Mud Flaps, the ultimate choice for your F-150. Number 4. WeatherTech Custom No-Drill Splash Guard Mud Flaps for Ford F-150. Crafted with precision for select 2021 to 2024 F-150 models, these mud flaps are a must-have for your vehicle's protection. Designed for both front and rear coverage in sleek black, they offer a seamless fit tailored to your F-150's contours, ensuring maximum defense against road debris and mud splatter. Proudly made in the USA, these mud flaps boast a hassle-free installation process, thanks to their laser-measured design. Forget about drilling into your vehicle's surface. With WeatherTech, installation is a breeze, usually requiring just minutes and zero wheel or tire removal. Constructed from a durable thermoplastic resin, these mud flaps offer unparalleled durability without compromising on style. Elevate your F-150's protection with the best mud flaps for F-150 WeatherTech Custom No-Drill Splash Guard Mud Flaps. Number 5. Mosfo Mud Flaps for F-150, the ultimate solution for F-150 owners seeking the best mud flaps for their trucks. Specifically tailored for F-150 models from 2021 to 2024 without OEM fender flares, these mud guards offer a seamless fit without the need for drilling or modifications. Crafted from durable PP plastic, they effectively shield your vehicle from mud, snow, salt, and rocks, preventing paint damage and keeping your car clean during any adventure. The easy installation process ensures a hassle-free upgrade, with 10 screw kits included for added convenience. Engineered to stay in place even during long drives, these mud flaps provide reliable protection without compromising on performance. Enhance your F-150's appearance and safeguard its paint with Mosfo mud flaps, the essential accessory for every F-150 owner's peace of mind. In conclusion, choosing the best mud flaps for your F-150 is crucial for protecting your vehicle and enhancing its appearance. Whether you prioritize durability, style, or ease of installation, there's an option out there for you. By investing in quality mud flaps, you'll safeguard your truck against debris and maintain its resale value. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more informative updates. Video loading.